Welcome to Westchester County. Here, today, we're going to be looking at Katona Lewisboro, home of John Jay, Stanley Tucci, and Annie Milanakis. We're going to explore nice rivers, maybe some of the few local delicacies. Here, for Channel 12, it's Bird's Eye View. It's cerulean poplars. Eat away at the root of a tree. I should be able This is a wetback tortoise, the wetback tortoise, the wetback tortoise. We're here! We're finally here! We're finally here! Here, look! We have the green lilies! Very rare! Look up here! TH! What does it stand for? No one knows. It stands for Deathly Hollows, in honor of our neighbors from down south, Sleepy Hollow. Ooh, spooky goblins. Ooh. Boy Scout Troop 23 made camp here. Looks like they've got a sturdy little shelter going here. You need to be able to make a sturdy hut. Instead, it's a little narrow, but could be cozy if you're stuck here for the night. It's probably made for an 11 or 12-year-old boy, but a big boy like me, college graduate, I could probably last here maybe 3-4 days. I did take Taekwondo. Mushrooms. Westchester County. I'm here. Fuck! Westchester County. A lot of gray streams. We're gonna make it. See, a lot of fungal growth here and here. This is not the proper environment. You need a colder climate. Or carnivorous A. Beer. Perfect. Channel 12 Westchester.